He's
But
a shy little boy at first. But he'll warm up. And he's about anywhere from 10 to 12 years old. But he's super sweet and friendly. He just needs lots of love and patience. But so far, from what we know, he's good with other cats, just with proper introduction. And he's very talkative. But he actually might settle down too once he settles into a home long term and knows the space. Yeah. His little meows will sort of slow down. But he loves his pets and he'll head bump you.
No hissing.
No hissing. He's a great boy. He just needs a great home. Somebody to understand him.
See how it's getting softer?
Yeah. Sometimes with just like a little bit of love and comfort, yeah, the little meows are getting softer and sweeter and quieter. He's just so ready to settle into a home. And that's really what he's meowing about. Can you open up your home to this sweet boy?